Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. I have a truly amazing deal for you today. Maybe the best deal of the year. I may be a little biased because I love having fun with the chainsaw. But I've had this specific chainsaw for a couple of years now and really like it. Acme Tools has it on sale for $99. Now they have free shipping on orders over $199, so you can maybe find something else on the website. Otherwise, their flat rate shipping is $5.99 or $6.99. I always forget. So, like $105, you get this bare tool DeWALT 20-volt chainsaw. I did a video back in the day. It's included in the post about this chainsaw, which I'll have linked down below if you want to check it out. But look at the size of the stuff I was cutting with this chainsaw. The video was more supposed to be about the generic DeWalt compatible batteries that I was using at the time, but still, look what that chainsaw did. That's big tree right there. So really a big fan of this thing. If we look at some comparables, International Tool 179, Tool Nut 179, Farm and Fleet 179. Do you see a pattern? Home Depot 179. So $99. The only thing wrong with this deal is you might get a knock on the door later for your theft because it is so amazing. But I think it's worth the risk. I think it's worth the risk. If I didn't already own it, I would 100% be buying this. $99. Awesome deal. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe for another subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.